To add a Gmail email address to your Facebook account, begin by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the menu button located in the bottom right corner. Then select the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Within the settings menu, choose See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, scroll down to Account Settings and select Personal Details. Next, tap on Contact Info and then Add New Contact. Choose Add Email. Enter the Gmail address you want to add and select the account you wish to associate it with. Once you've done this, tap Next. A confirmation code will be sent to the Gmail address provided. Enter the code. Tap Next and then select Close. Your Gmail address should now be successfully added to your Facebook account.